All right, Kenyans will get a chance to trade in textile and leather if the talks between the traders and the owners of factories manufacturing textiles and other products from the country of China are resolved. Speaking in Nairobi at a one-day workshop to showcase clothing and other products from textile, the stakeholders from the country of China have noted that they plan to establish a factory for these clothing products in the country to help Kenyans create more job opportunities.
Kenya, so that it does not spoil the market.
Forum today is actually to let the sector players give them information about what is coming and what products are there and the plans for investment in the textile industry. We are here not to compete. We are bringing partners to complement the market, bring the products to be affordable in the market and to grow the textile industry in Kenya.
Our aim is to the end to bring manufacturing to settle in Kenya and to support the Vision 2030 made in Kenya.
We want the fabric to be manufactured in Kenya, and because there is a lot of chain of benefits, when the industry comes in, they can subcontract farmers to grow more cotton so that they can do the ginning, they can do the spinning until to the end of the fabrics.
We tend to bring a factory that will manufacture fabric, affordable fabric, quality, because every time customers demand certain type of quality. So sometimes you don't know where to source that.